been leading New Zealand Sotheby's International in the Manawatu, and here on the boundary of Palmerston North at 814 Napier Road, just by the Whakarongo School, we've got a marvellous 6-acre property. Look behind me, we've got the cherry trees out today, but look at everything. We've got a backdrop of trees, we've got a backdrop of farmland, and of course, everything counts when you want to live in the country. But 4 beautiful bedrooms, good sized bedrooms, walk-in wardrobe, master bedroom ensuite, and of course, completely renovated. But here's the secret. It's completely double glazed, is as new. You've got to step inside and really appreciate it. On top of that, we have the, well, let's call it a man shed for now. It's a big shed, it's a 3-bay shed, but it has a fully lined sleep out. I know we'll all like that. Okay, it's up to you now to call us. Let's show you through.